This is going to be a video tutorial on how to add comments in CSS. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I have VS Code opened up now, and I'm currently working on a CSS style sheet. A comment in CSS code serves primarily as a non-executable note or explanation within a style sheet. It is ignored by the browser and has no effect on the rendering or styling of a web page. If you look right in here, you could see that I have a comment here. And the browser will skip over that line. It is commented out. So to add a comment, all you need to do is make a / followed by an asterisk sign, then your comment, then you'll make another asterisk sign, followed by another /. And that is a comment there. That is how to add a comment in a CSS style sheet. Thanks for watching.